India's landmark economic forum, Times Network's India Economic Conclave, has always looked to take on the daunting and to seek out actionable strategies to achieve larger goals. This year, we are gunning to do just that, to move from aspiration to action and keep India on track to $5 trillion. We have invited some of the sharpest minds from India and around the world to help us do that. The stage is now set for the biggest platform for transformative change. Conversations we start here will echo across the nation. India Economic Conclave, let the action begin.
Well, our next speaker is a human performance improvement pioneer who helps in driving business result through performance effectiveness. Dr. Vivek Bindra is the founder and CEO of BadaBusiness.com. Apart from running the world's most subscribed entrepreneurship-based YouTube channel with more than 10 million subscribers, Dr. Bindra is a distinguished motivational speaker and a renowned business coach.
Please welcome on stage Vivek Bindra, the founder of Bada Business.
It's a matter of fortune for me to get an opportunity to speak amongst such august gathering. The topic given to me today is Think Big, Think Innovative. As a founder and CEO of BadaBusiness.com, we are committed to help entrepreneurs to become entrepreneurs with a huge total addressable market size of about 25 crore people who are aspiring to become entrepreneurs in our country. There's a great opportunity. Now, if you look at the statistics which YouTube has given us, the channels like Al Jazeera, CNN, the channels like Harvard Business Review, Washington Post, New York Times, if you put all these channels together, they're publishing a lot of business content. We are also publishing business content. People thought English will do well, but in our country, vernacular, which is Hindi, is growing 12 times faster than English. As an identity, I'm a Hindi speaker, but today, for the formal gathering here, I will speak a little more English against my own identity, just to serve the audience and the purpose right. Today, I'll take about 10 minutes to pinpoint the major mistakes and highest headroom of growth, which can allow our MSMEs, SMEs, entrepreneurs, startups, or even some large organization to take next level of J-curve in their company. The first focus should always be obsession with the strategy of consumer advantage. Competitive advantage is grandchild of consumer advantage. People talk a lot about competitive advantage. Lekin seed giving father of competitive advantage and strategic advantage is consumer advantage. Direct, straight, vector connection with customer. Baat badi simple hai. For any blue ocean, you need two things, innovation and value creation. Innovation is unique, but whether the product is accepted, is being bought by your consumer, it depends how much value that you create in their life. So do baatein. One is innovation, second is value creation. When you put them together, then it works. Leonardo da Vinci was very innovative, but he could not create as much value as by Thomas Alva Edison because he had both innovation plus value creation. If you look at Maggi 2-minute noodles, lost 85% from 85% to 58% their market share when all that happened, the scandal of lead happened. That time many of them thought, let me bring in atta noodles, non-sticky noodles. They're creating value, but the product remains the same. So 2 minutes में ही बनना चाहिए, उतना ही tasty होना चाहिए, but it should also give you a lot of good health. तो क्या किया जाए? So then came 2-minute oats, which is 100% new market. So there is no competition, you become the competition. If Baba Ramdev thought that I can actually get atta noodles and capture the entire market and that would be a blue ocean, he wouldn't have been at 18% of the noodle market share. He should have captured more than 50%. But he only added value, but the product was old. It was the same old product. What do? You need to focus on two things. One is innovation, second is value creation. Combination of both gets you the highest market share. How do you begin with it? Customers' need is the food for your growth factory. सारा growth factory आएगा consumer की need से, मेरी greed से नहीं. That's the first step. What do you need to do? Sit down with your team, create a pipeline of positive ideas. Once you have pipeline of positive ideas, simple now, don't scale up the business, pilot experimentation and validation. That's the third point. First is, customers' need is the food for the growth factory. Second is, build the pipeline of positive ideas. Third is, pilot experimentation and validation, क्योंकि customer signal देता है. Now that's an important hand I want to show you all. Come on, customer signal देता है. The great brands will capture those signals. Great consumer brands have the ability to observe and evolve. Starbucks पहली बार कॉफी हटा दिया वर्ड से अपने लोगों के आगे इंडिया में, because Indian people tend to consume tea more than coffee. The great brands have ability to observe and evolve. ध्यान से देखते हैं, उसके बाद अपने को पोजीशन करते हैं. So after you pilot experimentation and validation, now comes commercialization, launch and ramp up. Otherwise scale kills. So after commercialization, launch and ramp up, अब आएंगे improvement cycle. आपका पहला product आखिरी product नहीं होता. Your first product is never your final product. A lot of organizations they experience कि उनका जो पहला product था आज वो कहीं पे भी नहीं है. They've completely changed because customer keeps giving you signal and you keep capturing that. You convert the feedbacks into feed forward and then when you go on. So don't try to look at the competition. When you look at the competition, मेरा क्योंकि subject है आज innovation पे. While building innovation, don't look at the competition. The thumb rule is, if you try to be the best, you may become number one. But if you try to remain unique while serving your consumer, you will be the only one. Largely, 50% से ज़्यादा market share is considered monopoly. So, भाई ये entry barrier बनते कैसे? How do you make those innovative, great, world-class products? Innovation is not just in the product. You have to understand the consumer journey. I'll give you very quick 20 examples, 15, 20 examples. And 15, 20 different relevant case studies. And I'll run through every in 10 seconds, very fast. The first is either you build a great intellectual property right, just like Microsoft, that's an entry barrier. These are examples of building great entry barriers. Or you build, in pharmaceutical industries, patent and licensing works very strongly as an entry barrier. There is no option in the market. For your consumer, he will lose all the options. Distribution network can also act as a strong entry barrier. Oppo, Vivo, when they came in India, they fought not because they had the greatest mobile, but they actually bought all the retailers by giving them highest possible incentives. दुकान का किराया तक उनका खुद दिया, लड़के की तनख्वाह दिया, powerful incentives, commissions दिया. They built great distribution network. That's how they try to enter here. If you look at exclusive rights, that's also an entry barrier. If you can build exclusive rights with your other stakeholders in the business. जो Flipkart ने, Xiaomi ने, Flipkart ने exclusive rights से बहुत बड़ा market share capture किया. Proprietary technology is also an entry barrier. India में manpower सस्ती है, so people tend to actually solve the business problems through manpower. But if you build technology, you can scale up fast. That's important. Another way is high capital investment. That's also a powerful entry barrier. What is high capital investment? Like what Jio did. Super high capital investment in the new technology. अभी पीछे वाले बहुत परेशान हो गए उससे. If you look at economies of scale, कि आपके COGS, the costing behind the costing, if it goes down, you create an entry barrier like Big Bazaar, DMart, Walmart. They all do with economies of scale. If you look at examples like excellent customer service can also be. Now, product is not just the product, even service is also a great product. Domino's offering 30-minute promise, piping, steaming hot pizza delivered at your doorstep in less than 30 minutes or for free. Over 60% market share in the pizza industry captured by Domino's, not because of the product innovation, but because of the service innovation. If you look at brand equity, कि consumer perception इतना strong हो जाए, discrete choice conjoint. I'll say that one more time, come on. Discrete choice conjoint. That's called powerful brand equity. अभी M-Seal is not product, it's a brand. MC लगाते हैं ना, एक टपकती बूंद आपकी जिंदगी खराब कर सकती है।
सिर्फ एक टपकती बूंद आपकी किस्मत बदल सकती है। घर में
If you remember M-Seal, what is the product called? Do you know what is the product? M-Seal is the brand. The product is basically, even I forgot the name. What is it called? Epoxy compound. Epoxy compound dena bhaiya 2 packet. Nobody says like that. People say, bhaiya, give me MC. Nobody says epoxy compound dena. The epoxy compound are coming in other brand names also, but they're failed because a strong brand equity also acts as a strong entry barrier. So, loyalty beyond logic. Apple, the Apple users, most of them, in the heart of their heart, they're not happy with Apple, but next time they'll again buy Apple. उनसे पूछो, बोला कुछ नहीं चलता इसमें, परेशान है. Next time, which mobile you're buying? Apple. That's called loyalty beyond logic. You know, in UP, I've seen a lot of political parties, or in Hyderabad or other places, they're playing well because of loyalty beyond logic. People don't stop applying logic while being so much loyal. So, that's a strong entry barrier. Ongoing innovation, continuous innovation. Customer signal deta hai, Unilever product bana deta hai. Guys, one more time. Customer signal deta hai, Unilever product bana deta hai. That's called ongoing innovation. That's also an entry barrier. National sentiment, what Baba Ramdev did amazingly well. My 12th example, Patanjali. Strong national sentiment. Swadeshi, 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 Swadeshi. Their products are not innovative, but the sentiment is innovative. Guys, are you getting my point? Come on. Very important. Products are not innovative. So you can build innovation around, not just in the product, but there are a lot of paraphernalia areas like subscriber base. India today, news magazines में आज भी बहुत आगे because of the subscriber base. It works for them. So that's also a way of creating an entry barrier. Product differentiation. Apple has got quality differentiation, Xiaomi has got price differentiation. That's an entry barrier. Market responsiveness, like Google is very, very responsive to every signal that your consumer gives them. Thank you. That's also an entry barrier. Efficiency or manufacturing efficiency. If you look at McDonald's, I'll give you a quick example, is offering you a burger in less than 180 seconds. Aap bolo usko aloo tikki without onion, they'll give you in few seconds. Aloo tikki without onion. So manufacturing efficiency is also an entry barrier. जिसके कारण उन्होंने drive through भी शुरू किया. Trade secrets. Nobody knows Coca-Cola कैसे बनता है. Trade secret. Nobody knows KFC के ingredients क्या है. My 18th example would be contract-based agreement. After Airtel was losing market share, they started picking it up. अगर contract कर लो तो 2 साल तक customer छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा. That's also an entry barrier. 2 साल का entry barrier है. It's a short-term entry barrier. If you do a contract with your customers. 19th example is customers' cost of convenience. इतना convenience दे दो, इतना convenience दे दो, इतना convenience दे दो, customer सपने में भी ना सोचे कहीं और जाने के लिए. That's also powerful. These are different ways where you build your innovations or accreditations and certifications. They work a lot, and sometimes personality is also an entry barrier. If you look at Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, who is also a professor, उसके अलावा किसी और chef का नाम याद नहीं आता because he's created that strong personality. So personality becomes a strong entry barrier. Trust is an entry barrier which real estate people have mostly lost now. वही चल पा रहे हैं जिन पे बहुत विश्वास है. People buy properties and real estate from them because trust has become an entry barrier. Toyota ने इंडिया में quality reliability में बहुत entry barrier बनाया. So there is a lot more that I can say because of lack of time now. I'd like to hold my speech that very simple. When you want to build a great, powerful, innovative product, don't look at the competition, just look at your consumer. Consumer advantage is the seed-giving father to competitive advantage and strategic advantage. Consumer बताएगा, customer signal देगा, and then when you capture that, if you've got a great platform to capture the customer signal, there is where you can actually build great, world-class, innovative products. I would like to thank Times Group for this great opportunity for me to speak to lovely audience. हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए, हमारे YouTube चैनल पे आके वाकई को देखने के लिए आप सबका प्रेमपूर्वक बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.